Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Glide apps tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, what is this Glide application that I'm talking about? With Glide, you can create apps graphically without knowing any code. Yes, that's right. And it uses Google Sheets to store the data. Glide offers a variety of components to work with, including a chat interface, calendar view, map view, and user list. It really does cover most of the fundamental elements included in most applications. Developing mobile apps without code has several advantages. To start, what you're going to do is simply go to the top right corner and you will see there a button that says sign up or log in for free, or you can start with Glide. So this is what it looks like to create an account. You can sign up with your Google, you can sign up with your email address, but for me, I have to tap at this sign up with Google because it's easier. All I have to do is to choose the account that I want to sign up for Glide and then tap continue again to confirm. And then let Glide have access to my Google account. Click allow and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, once done, Glide interface will appear right here. But before that, they will ask you some questions like how did you hear about Glide? And there is no right or wrong answer here. You just have to simply answer it. Everything is up to you, your company, how many people work at your company. So you can just simply tap just me here. What's your role? And then you can just choose from any of the options and selections here. Okay. And then after that, what you're going to do is to click this next button. And then once you're building, you can describe your app. So you can see that you want to assign task. Okay. And then kindly tap I agree to terms and privacy policy. Then click this Let's Glide button. Now here it is. You can start by choosing from any template here if you know what to do. But this time, let's just tap this X and I'll show you first the features of Glide. So here we have apps and below you can see here on the left panel, there are features like upgrade. If you want to upgrade your account, you can see here and compare the plans. What are the features that you can get if you upgrade your plan or subscribe from this account or this plan right here? The features that you can unlock, the features that you can use. So as you can see, I'm just using the basic version. So my features here are just limited. Okay. And then below we have here members. So if you want to add a member here, you just have to enter their email address. And then after that, click this send invite. As you can see, it's pending because, you have to wait for months or days or weeks. Depends on the person when he or she accepts your invitation. Okay. And if you copy and paste and send this link, the person who will receive the link will take them directly, or it will take them directly to the page or to your Glide application. Okay, so that's how you invite members. And then below we have here usage. So we have here all data. You can see any updates here with the usage of your application. So users and update, everything will appear right here. And then below the usage we have here is billing. So you can see here a month spent and also payment history. You can see here your current plan. Okay, and you can see also here the team codes. And if you want to need help with billing, you can just simply contact their support and ask them how are you going to upgrade your plan or what are the advantages or if there are any good things if you upgrade your plan up to like yearly or monthly. Okay. And then we have here templates. So such as templates, there are tons of templates here, most popular templates. All you have to do is to click the category. For example, if you want to create or if you're looking for a template that is all about work, then you will see samples of templates here related to. Now we have here settings. Under settings, you can change your name, change your default color here. And then below you can see your preview features. You can toggle this one on. You can change your settings here if you want. And then also you can delete your account. Okay, so that is under settings. Now going back with the apps, if you want to start and create a new app, you just have to click this one and then look for the template. But for the meantime, let's just use this basic template. Okay, and then click this create app. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And this is your application. This is how it appears. So we have here center, we have here left and right panel. So as you can see above, we have here data, we have here a layout, we have your actions. If you want to change something here and like text or any object, you just have to simply click the text or the word inside of that phone interface. Okay. And also for layout, you can change your layout by just going to the right panel. As you can see, there are options here like label, style. You can change your style right here. You can change your title. You can change your description, the action, and don't worry, whenever you change something here, you will see the result right away. Okay, you just have to look at the center. Okay, so if you want to change something, you just have to go to the right panel and change some of the settings here. And if you want, or how would you like your application appears, it depends on. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you go to the left side, you will see here options like items, categories. So if you want to change that, like what I've mentioned earlier, you can just simply tap and then change or delete the text or replace the text. Okay. Now, as what I've mentioned earlier, this Glide application is a no-code platform. So this is really suitable for beginners or for anyone who wants to create an application and you don't want to enter or know or learn about codings. No code platforms create new avenues for cooperation and make better use of internal personnel, such as those in sales, marketing, and accounting, by allowing non developers to participate in the development process. So, no code platforms are a great method to automate and streamline internal business processes. Every business department can create its own internal application to create productivity, promote efficiency if given the proper tool. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to publish, you just have to go to the right corner, top right corner, and then click publish. If you want to share this one, then you can also share this. Now, this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is click publish in order for your application to be published. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.